Papa Cow here with a new book. This book is called Nature is Calling, and its creators are Martha Jaw Reeder and Gary B. Jones. And this is what it looks like. You know what kind of animal that is on the front? I bet you do. All right, let's get into it. Nature is Calling. I wonder about the hawk in the sky. What does it see from way up high? I wonder about the fish in the stream. I can see it. Can it see me? I wonder about the bears in the forest. What is it like to sleep all winter long? I wonder what that's like too, to sleep all winter long. I wonder about the bison on the plain. What does it feel like to be so big? And you know, another name for bison is buffalo. I wonder about the deer on the hillside. What does it feel like to jump so high and run so fast? And I wonder about the eagle that soars. What does it feel like what does it feel like to fly? Ooh, I'd like to know about that. Have you ever seen an eagle? I've seen some eagles. They fly so majestically. I wonder about the elk calling on the mountainside. What is he saying? Have you ever heard an elk call? It is a really weird sound. I wonder about the fox on the prowl. What is it looking for? I wonder about the otters in the river. Where did they go? We saw otters this summer. I wonder about the bighorn sheep as they clash horns. Why do they do that? Does it hurt? It seems like it would hurt. It would hurt if I knocked my head into somebody else's head. I wonder about the wolves in the wild. Are they a family? I wonder about the moose in the river. What is it like to have antlers? Are they heavy? Or they look heavy. His whole head looks heavy. I wonder about the beaver on the dam. Did he build that himself? I wonder, there's a world out there I want to know. Nature is calling. Come, let's go. there you have it. That was Nature is Calling. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye. See you next time.